Hey guys, back at the doghouse today. Didn't do anything yesterday. It was kind of lazy day. But anyway, today I'm going to put the brake cylinders on. Hope it all goes well. I hope these brake cylinders are the right ones before I say, yeah, I'm going to change them. But anyway, hang tight. I'll show you how I fared out. Hopefully it's good. Take a look at this here, where these holes are just off a smidgen. Don't quite line up. See? So there's not a whole lot to these bricks. The only thing we got in there, let me just slide over here. Here, we got one spring right here. That's all I got inside there. And how these here work, if you guys didn't see this before, let me get my big wrench and I'll show you. There, just watch here. I'll adjust the other shoe. So here's the cab. There, see how the camera's moving that? The camera's right back here now. Now as the cam comes around, here's the cam, see it coming around, and the shoes are moving away from the pad now, or the cam is moving away from the pad. There, see how much it moves? I guess the back one is the one that does most of the moving. There we go. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. But yeah, like they're so simple. One spring, that's it. One spring hold it together, then the rotation here, and then of course the little springs to hold it just in place. But now they got springs and levers and everything. It is a little bit harder to adjust because you got to adjust one at a time, the back shoe and the front shoe. But hey, it's still very, very simple. So anyway, I'm going to do the other side. You don't have to watch me do that. It's the same as this side. This is the one on the left. Now I'm going to do the one on the right. And there's none in the middle. So anyway, we'll bring you back when we got everything all fixed up and adjusted and this sort of stuff. Hang tight, guys. Be right back. Yeah, so guys, we're all done. Got the brakes working. I was really surprised with those cylinders being seized like that. But anyway, I found a couple new cylinders, like I said before, and got them hooked up today. Got the brakes bled. Everything's working super duper, which really makes me happy. The one step really close to getting everything done here. But tomorrow I'm going to put the truck back on the ground, and I'm going to take it for a drive. About 20 feet on the garage, and then back her up and do a burnout. No, I don't think so. But anyway, I'm going to drive it back and forth a couple times in the garage just because it deserves a little drive in the garage. Anyway, guys, thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it didn't bore you too much. I know it's just a simple little brake job, but just show you how things are going on, because that's what we do. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, and keep on wrenching, have fun, be safe, be kind. Bye now.